Hello friends, this is Shanaya from Shanaya's Henna Art. Today I'm excited to share with you a stunning Khaleeji Mehndi design tutorial, perfect for special occasions. Watch along as I create this beautiful design. As I'm creating this beautiful Khaleeji Mehndi design, remember to stay tuned till the end. I'll be showing a special tip on how to apply balm to enhance the color and longevity of your mehndi. Don't go anywhere. After finishing this intricate design, I'll share my secret for getting the best color out of your mehndi by using a simple balm application process. We're almost done with the design, but make sure to keep watching. Right after this, I'll demonstrate how to apply balm to lock in the color and make your mehndi last longer. Stay with me till the end. Once the design is complete, I'll give you a pro tip on how to apply balm to ensure your mehndi comes out beautifully dark and long lasting. And there you have it. Our stunning Khaleeji Mehndi design is complete. Now let's move on to an important step to make sure your mehndi stays vibrant and lasts longer. Alright, we finished the beautiful design. Next, I'll show you how to apply balm over the dried mehendi to enhance its color and longevity. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful Khaleeji Mehndi design tutorial. If you try this design, please share your pictures with me on Instagram. I'd love to feature your beautiful Mehndi designs on my story. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more stunning Mehndi designs. Also, hit the bell icon to stay updated with new designs every week. Follow me on Instagram for more updates and gorgeous Mehndi designs. Have you ever tried Khaleeji Mehndi designs? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching and see you in the next video. Stay creative and keep practicing your Mehndi skills. Bye for now.